Hey, Matt here. Welcome to Mob Street. Today, we're going to be doing some quick cosmetic surgery to the TW. So, getting the 2026 ready for Tdub Fest, and Halt is going to be riding this one. And why don't you guys tell us what we're going to be doing with this one so that it's ready for you for Tdub Fest.
So, we're going to be putting new tusk bars on it. We're going to put new foot pegs. We're going to put a new headlight in it. I think that should be it, right? Handguards.
So, McCade, walk us through our parts here.
Okay, so we got the tusk bars.
Okay.
And
from Rocky Mountain.
Yep. And then got the tusk grips.
Okay.
And then
where do we put our foot pegs? Where'd those go?
Right.
You guys, there are a lot of foot pegs out there. I love the ones. Honestly, I've got these on all of my TWs because they're great. Bradley Performance makes a great set. Pro Cycle makes a great set. But look. There's the difference between the stock foot peg and the tusk foot peg.
Where's the headlight at?
So quite a bit of difference there. So yeah, McCade, what do we got again?
The tusk handguards.
Okay, so these are the Tusk D-Flex with the MX grips. I like those quite a bit. I just like the shape of them, I think, more than the Pro, which actually, we'll show you. So, we've got the Tusk MX grips on the 2021, on my 2019, and you guys, these things have been beat like crazy. So, this is Brad's bike from Bradley Performance. This is the D-Flex Pro Guard. So you got the MX shield right there versus the Pro shield right there. So definitely a little bit bigger, but honestly, I think those just look cooler.
Yeah.
Form over function, right? I mean, that's what we're going for on this one. But you guys, all the parts that we're putting on here, we'll put the links in the description, so if you want to pick some up, you can. We've got this stuff from Rocky Mountain. It's great. I have beat the tar out of them, crashed with them I don't know how many times, and they hold up well. So this is what we're doing. Halt, did you find the headlight?
Yes, I did actually.
Okay, so show us the bracket first. So this bracket right here is from Tdub200. Sent me this a while ago, and this bracket actually mounts right up here underneath the nacelle of, or the cowl, whatever you guys want to call it, of the headlight. However, that bracket allows you to use any 4x6 headlight that you want. So we got these ones off of Amazon. It was a 2-pack, and we just had to make sure that it had the H4 plug in the back of it, which is what the TW200 uses. It draws a lot less power, and it's way brighter than the stock headlight. Let's get building. We have the Tusk T10 handlebars over there that McCade has, plus the Tusk 30mm risers. Now these are the 7/8 risers that are going to go with a 7/8 bar. You can get the bigger risers for the inch and the 1/8 bars if that's what you have. But since we're doing the 7/8, that's what it's going to be. So it'll bring us up 30mm, and they're going to go underneath the handlebars, but then you're going to be using the stock top clamps, but these bolts are going to be replacing the stock bolt right there. So this one obviously quite a bit longer, and that's going to be replacing that bolt right there. the facelift is done, and we got it set up for my son that's going to be riding it. So Halt, why don't you walk us through what we got done on here now for you?
Okay, we got the handlebar risers. They
Okay. Tusk 30mm handlebar risers.
They go with the Tusk 30mm bars.
Well, they're not 30mm.
Well,
But the Tusk T10 bars, yep, so we got those on there. What else did we do?
we got hand guards.
So these are the Tusk D-Flex hand guards on here with the MX shields. Went with the stock grips, made sure everything's still nice and works right. Okay, what else did we do?
We got Tusk foot pegs.
Okay, we got the Tusk foot pegs on there. And lastly, we've got, go ahead and flip that switch on there, dude. We've got an LED headlight. This one's from Amazon, but we did use the Tdub 200 installation plate, so you can choose which headlight you like in there. And honestly, the installation of that was a little bit different. I don't know if I'm 100% sold on it just yet. The TAC Industries that I've used in my other bikes is simple. Just pull the stock headlight out, plug that one back in, you're good to go. This one uses the stock headlight housing, so you've got to take the stock light out of there and then reuse the metal housing. And then the adjustment on there isn't necessarily my favorite. Whereas with the TAC Industries, super simple, adjust really easy, good to go, no worries. Now comes the fun part of installing all this stuff. What do we got to do next?
Ride it.
Ride it.
That's fun.
Is that?
Yeah.
So how does it feel?
A lot smoother.
A lot smoother?
Yeah.
You like it?
Mhm.
What about, I mean, your foot pegs, they feel okay?
It makes it feel way more comfy. It goes a lot smoother.
It just feels better all the way around?
Yeah.
So you like the mods that we did?
Yeah.
Sweet.
They're nice.
So you think it's ready for Tdub Fest?
Yeah.
Nice. Anyways, just a quick facelift on here. If there's questions or comments about what we did, feel free to put those down below. And we're getting this ready for Tdub Fest, which is next week. It is the 19th through the 21st, Little Moab, Utah. And I'll put the links in the description of that as well. Should be a good time. We've got Bradley Performance that'll be out there. Actually, those are a few of his bikes out there. So he's got his bikes here. You can see what it is that he does for the TW200. We have the guys from Pro Cycle coming out as well, bringing one of their TWs that's built to the hilt. So if you want to see what other folks do with the TW200, make sure to come to Tdub Fest. Like, subscribe, follow along. Thanks for hanging out with me and the boys. Now comes the fun part. We're going to go test ride the 2026 TW200 with all the bits and pieces that we put on. So if anything's loose, we can tighten it up, make sure it's ready to go for Tdub Fest. I'm Matt, this is Mob Street. We'll see you in the next one.